Chocolate mousse is one of those elegant, classic French dishes that seems fancy, but is actually sneaky simple to prepare and consists of about 5 ingredients. In the version we have here from Chef João Diaz of Ferreira Café in Montreal, we have a Portuguese riff on the French classic. Typically, chocolate mousse would be made with heavy cream, but in this version, he's swapped it out for olive oil, and there's also a sprinkling of fleur de sel for just a little bit of salinity. Paulo Ferreira, who's the beverage director at Ferreira Café, pairs this with a fabulous 20-year aged Tawny Port, which has a similar salty sweet quality to the mousse. Both have a creamy texture. The mousse is sparked up by fleur de sel. The pairing has a zip of acidity and kind of an orange rind feel to it. Altogether, it's just a really harmonious, luscious dessert. This is just a great way to end the night.